Okay, guys, I have never seen this shit before in my life. This thing is getting really nasty, really fast. It's getting... Oh, shit, rain. No, go ahead. Things are getting really nasty, really fast. And the storm has just done nothing but got worse. There's fucking black on the radar. Look at that push right there, man. I have never seen that. Ever. Look at that. Sorry, I'm a little excited right now. I've never, ever seen this. Oh, lightning. Thunder everywhere. I haven't heard a break in the thunder in 5 minutes. It's been thundering 5 minutes straight. I hope that's thunder. Whoa! Fuck that!
What?
Shit, that was close!
What?
Oh, fuck me. Sorry, God. Whoa! Why the fucking everywhere, dude? Shit, man. I don't like this at all. Uh-oh. What's falling? Is that rain or hail? Whoa! I hear hail. I hear hail. I just heard something go bang. Hail, Matt! Oh my God! Woo! Yeah, buddy. That's marble. That's marble. That's marble. Oh shit! Damn! It comes to the bottom of the fucking door. Let's go to the front one.
Damn!
Yes, sir. We hadn't had hail in 5 years, dude. Look at that dumbass.
Who?
That's
Driving to get home, man.
I wouldn't care about getting home losing my goddamn windshield. Hold on, I'm gonna go out there and get some.
Ow, 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 ow. How bad does it hurt hitting you?
Ow.
Damn! Look at this! This is as hard as rain.
Yeah.
Steven, somehow I think, you know how I was joking before?
About what?
About me getting hit in the leg and then me trying to go into church and me getting hit again? That might have happened.
Go inside. Now it's just rain. That's the first time hail has fallen in 5 years. And you guys got to see it. Yay! Sorry I flipped out a little bit. This is one of the worst storms of this is the worst storm of the season so far. And that just goes to show this is going to be an interesting season. Sorry I got a little bit excited. That lightning didn't expect it. The lightning itself doesn't scare me. It's just a big boom afterwards. It kind of flips me out. I mean, if the lightning looks close, yeah, I'll say oh shit or something like that. But yeah, let me get off here, cause yeah.